Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Scarlett with Scarlett's Little Crafty Corner, and I have got another unbagging for y'all. And I just want to say real quick, thank you to all my subscribers. Thank you for any of my new subscribers. I appreciate every single one of you. And every time I get a new subscriber, it's like Christmas to me. I have struggled and struggled and struggled. I've had this channel for June will be 2 years, and I am just, it seems like I get a subscriber and I'll lose a subscriber. And I know that's just the name of the game, but every time I get a new one, it just tickles me. So thank you to everyone. I appreciate every single one of you. Now, with that being said, let's get into this unbagging. All right, so this is another one that I got from Amazon. Shock, shock, shock. Y'all, I love Amazon. I can't help it. So, all right. This is a, let's see. All right. I gave $5.99 for this. I honestly don't think I gave $5.99 for this. I think this was cheaper. I think I probably gave $4 and something for it. But anyway, either way, doesn't matter. It is an owl, and it is a special drill, and he is sitting on a moon. And I just could not pass this up because it is just cute as a button. And I think I have told y'all before, I'm not real big into owls. I like them just fine, but it's not something that I'm just like, ooh, there's an owl, gotta have it. But I love this image. I think it is so flippin' cute, and the colors are just beautiful. All these colors, the color combination is what I'm trying to say, is just gorgeous. So this is a little 30 by 30 poured glue, and it is a partial. So with this, we get a average toolkit, which is a green boat, little square pink wax, and a pink pen. Now there's only 11 colors in this. So let's look into, ooh, y'all, ooh. What do I see? What is this? Oh, isn't that pretty? Ooh, wow. Dang, they only give you one. I just love, I am so tickled when I have leftovers of this stuff. Where would this go? Okay, this is number 11. Ooh, it goes right there in his little nose. Look at that. It goes right there in his nose. Okay. Anyway, that's so pretty. I thought it was jewelry there for a minute. Alrighty, so we have a little pink heart. There's only one. No leftovers on this one. Alright, so we have some, what is that? Clear stars. And we have some gold stars. Ooh, we got some ABs. It looks like AB. No, them are not ABs. Them are little pearl looking. Them are not ABs. They sure look like ABs though, but they're little bitty tiny pearl looking drills. Then we've got some purple. We got another color of purple. We got some green. And we've got some more green. And then we got some blue. And then we've got some clear. Okay. Just run through these one more time. Those colors are so pretty. I wish, even though you only need one, I really wish they'd send like, 2 or 3. Because you don't know. I might drop that one and lose it. Okay. Anyway, I'm sitting there whining. But I bet it goes right there. You know it does. Alright, so we'll just put those over to the side for a minute. Alright, so we're going to come down. Now, with this being a partial, None of this background is sticky, so we don't drill that. It's just where the sticky is. So, and it is very sticky. Y'all, I bet if you could sit down and do this one, it'd probably take you 20, 30 minutes at most. This is one of those good in between. Or this is a good one to take if you've got to go somewhere that you're going to be sitting in a waiting room for a minute. This would be a good one to take. All right, so you know one of them stars is going to go there. And there's stars in here. But yeah, anyway, this is going to be so cute. So cute. That almost looks like crossbones. Skull and crossbones. But it is very, very, very cute, y'all. Look in the stars. There's going to be stars that go down here. And they're going to mix it up too. They're going to be gold ones and the clear ones. This is going to be really pretty. So what do y'all think? Like I said, I have written down in my notes that I gave $5.99 for it, and I might have, but I don't remember. It doesn't seem like I did, but I could have. Even if I did or didn't, it doesn't really matter. I like it. So, what do y'all think about this one, y'all? Isn't it cute? I just love them colors. All right, so if y'all have done this one, just drop me a comment down below. Let me know. And if you have any more suggestions for my channel, drop me a comment below. Let me know about that. And I will try to do what I can do when I can do it. So, all right, y'all. Until my next video, I will see y'all later. Bye, y'all.